Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a man named Raju. Raju was a pakora seller. He made the best pakoras in the town. Every day, people came to buy his pakoras because they were tasty and hot. But Raju had a problem. He was greedy. He always wanted more money. One day, Raju thought to himself, if I use less flour and fewer spices, I can save money and make more profit. So he started using less of the good ingredients. His pakoras were no longer the same. They were not as tasty as before. But Raju didn't care. He was happy because he was saving money. At first, people didn't notice. They still came to buy his pakoras. But soon, they began to feel something was wrong. The pakoras didn't taste good anymore. They were oily, dry, and had no flavor. One by one, people stopped coming to Raju's stall. Raju was worried. He thought, why are my customers not coming? I must make more money, but I am losing them. Still, he didn't want to spend more money on good ingredients. His greed was blinding him. Then one day, an old woman came to Raju's stall. She bought a few pakoras and sat down to eat. After taking one bite, she looked at Raju and said, "What happened to your pakoras? They are not like before. They taste bad now." Raju felt embarrassed, but he said nothing. The old woman shook her head and said, "Greed will only bring you loss, my son. If you cheat people, they will stop trusting you. Remember, good things come to those who are honest." After the old woman left, Raju sat and thought about her words. He realized she was right. He had been too greedy. He was so focused on making more money that he forgot the most important thing: quality. The next day, Raju decided to change. He bought the best flour, the freshest spices, and the best oil. He started making his pakoras with love and care again. Slowly, people began to notice. His pakoras tasted just like before, crispy, hot, and full of flavor. Soon his customers returned. Raju was happy again. He learned a big lesson that day: greed never brings happiness. From that day on, Raju never tried to cheat his customers again. He worked hard and made good pakoras, and his business grew more than ever.